Hello, also I'm going to open this very powerful machines, that is my laptop GF-65. So I bought in this big billion days, so let me open it first of all. So you can see this is MSI GF-65, 16 GB RAM, i7. So it is a very powerful laptop, and its price in India is around 1 lakhs. You can see here. Okay, so let me see how it is from inside. Okay, another one box from inside. So let me take this out. Wow, really it is very nice. So again there might be some more boxes from inside. Okay, MSI. Okay. Okay. So let me see. Wow, great. So let me check it out, what all things are there. So first thing is, this is the adapter. This is the adapter, so I'll put it here. Finally I get this machine. So this is laptop. Okay, so you can see here, very nice quality, very sleek design, and it is just 1.8 kg, and it's very powerful from inside. You can see this is the back portions here, back portions for ventilation and all. It has two fans, so very proper ventilations, and it is a very classy design as I expected. From inside it is a i7 and 16 GB RAM, 6 GB graphic cards. So lot more things are there. So wow, see, it's clean.